All right, y'all. I just drilled a hole through the house. I'm installing an outdoor camera, and it's more secure to power it from the inside, because anybody could just, even if you have an outlet outside, anybody could just come through and just unplug it. So I drilled a hole through the house. I wish I would have filmed myself drilling it, but whatever. But this is the hole from the outside coming inside. I'm gonna run the cable and plug it up in there. But I'm gonna fish this cable out. This is the other end of my my fish tool. I clamped it the other end. This is the end that I'm gonna plug into the camera. Clipped it up in there. I'm gonna pull it out the house. Hopefully I can get it on the first try. Let's see. All right, this is the other side of the house that I drilled through. That's the other side of the hole. This is the fish tool. See if I can fish it out. Stuck on something. Here we go. We got it. Success. Alright, now I'm gonna mount the camera. This is Simply Safe camera. I'm about to set up. That's how the mount looks. Alright, what you do, you connect the power first. That's the power port right there. That's where the USB micro connector goes into. It's powered on now. This is the mount clip right here. The mount clip goes on to the back, slides on like that. And then the clip right there mounts onto that little ball right there. You can hear the click. Click. All right, there you go. You feed that cable in, like so. And voila. Now, that hole right there, you know, it rains over here and snows, so we're gonna have to seal that with some weather safe sealing. What I recommend is some quick dry foam. I'll show you what I use. I'll show you the other holes I filled. But that's basically how it looks right there. We're gonna have to go check that view in a minute though. This is what I use right here to fill up the gaps. All right, we're gonna open up the Simply Safe app to see if we're satisfied with this view of the front of the house. Expand that a little more. Cameras. That's the camera right there. Oh yeah, I'm loving it. I'm satisfied. Hope the lady will be. You know, that's all that matters. Gonna have to check with her before we finalize this, but yeah, it's looking good. Well, good.